Alright guys, so here I'm making the wooden arches for these arched window frames. Here's how I did it. First step was to make a jig out of plywood. This cutout out of foam is a template for the shape that I want. So, I'm going to trace that onto my plywood to make a jig. Now cut out the jig with the jigsaw. Hey, what do you know? Now let's take those two pieces back apart. And there you go. We have the two sides. Fit them together with a spacer in the middle. Alright, there we go. Jig is built, and here are the pieces of the jam. Now, how did I come up with those pieces? They're actually a bunch of little trapezoids with very particular angles on them. Here's how I came up with that. Okay, so here's how I cut all those pieces. If you paid any attention in geometry, this should make sense to you. If not, well, I'm not teaching a math class here. I'm just going to show you how I did it. So we got the outer circumference, or half circumference, I should say, because it's a half circle, was about 30 inches. The inner circumference, about 27.5 inches. So each piece, see, it's made of a bunch of little pieces like this that are basically trapezoids like this. So the top of each piece, I just divided it by, well, I figured I'll have 13 pieces, or 15 pieces in there at 30 inches, so it's 2 inches each. Divided the inner circumference, so that number, by 15 pieces, and I got 1.833. So this is the size and shape of the piece that I need from the profile, from the end. Which means I'm going to figure out what that angle is right there, that angle. So this triangle represents this right here. So basically this leg of the triangle is this much because it's 2 minus that divided by 2 to figure out what that is. Multiplying both by 100 just for easier math. That's the angle. I use that sines or cosines, I don't even remember. Math, basic trigonometry, simple stuff. There's my angle though. So I set the table saw at that angle, and I ripped some long pieces of 3/4 inch thick pine. I ripped it to that angle on either side, and then I cut them into all these little sections that are the length of the depth of the window jam. There you go. Basic math, people. So then I put them all in the jig, gluing them together, pressed them tight, and that's pretty much it. Threw some weight on top of it when I was done. And yeah, there's my arch.